Unit 2 Poem The Dreamer. Children, who is the dreamer? A person who spends a lot of time thinking about or planning enjoyable events that are not likely to happen. So children, today we are going to see about the poem The Dreamer. Here in this poem, the poet is the dreamer. Do you dream, children? Yes. Let us see how he dreams to make this world as one. The dreamer. Imagine there are no diversity. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Imagine all that belongs to you is shared. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Now look at the first stanza. Imagine there are no diversity. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. Children, imagine. What is mean by imagine? Imagine means to think about anything. Okay, here the poet imagines that there is no diversity. Children, what is mean by diversity? Diversity, it is mixture of races and religions that make up a group of people. Diversity means wide range of people from different backgrounds, lifestyle and social experiences, races and religions. Here, the poet thinks that diversity will bring hatred, fight and killing among people of different beliefs, backgrounds, lifestyle and religions. Next stanza. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Children, here the poet says, I am not the only person to dream. Will you all join with me to make the world as one? Will you join, children? Yes, he dreams of a united world without any diversity or inequality. Next stanza. Imagine all that belongs to you is shared. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Children, again the poet imagines whatever belongs to you, that is either food or money or clothes, everything, if it is shared, we can remove inequality by sharing our belongings with others, because inequality among people will lead to greed, hunger, poverty and hatred. Children, what is meant by greed? Greed means selfish desire for something. And what is meant by hunger? Desire for food. So, the poet imagines whatever belongs to you, it can share with others. Next stanza. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Children, again the poet says, I am not the only one person to dream. Will you all join with me to make the world as one? He dreams of the united world without any diversity or inequality among us. So children, are you ready to join with the poet to make the world as one? Yes. Children, I hope you understood and enjoyed the poem. Once again, I'll recite the poem. Listen well, children. The Dreamer. Imagine there are no diversity. It isn't hard to do, nothing to kill or die for. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Imagine all that belongs to you is shared. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Am I a dreamer? I hope not the only one. Will you join me to make the world as one? Let's learn the glossary. Number 1, imagine, think. Think means to visualize or to assume. Imagine, think. Number 2, hope. Hope means confident, desire or wish. Hope, confident. Number 3, belong. Belong means to be a part, to be a member of or to be a property of. Belong means to be a part. Number 4, share. Share means distribute, divide. Share means distribute. Next one, wonder. Wonder means surprise, feeling of amazement. Wonder means surprise. Next one, greed. Greed means excessive desire, selfish desire for something. Greed means excessive desire. Next one, hunger. Hunger means desire for food, wanting to eat something or urgent need for food or a specific nutrient. Hunger means desire for food. Once again, imagine, think, hope, confident, belong, to be a part, share, distribute, wonder, surprise, greed, excessive desire, hunger, desire for food. Answer the following questions. Number 1, how are we divided in real world? In the real world, we are divided by caste, religion, race, and wealth. Once again, how are we divided in real world? In the real world, we are divided by caste, religion, race, and wealth. Next one. Number 2, does the poet want diversity? Why? No, the poet does not want diversity because he hopes to make the world as one. Once again, does the poet want diversity? Why? No, the poet does not want diversity because he hopes to make the world as one. Next one. Number 3. Do you like this kind of world? Do you like this kind of world? Yes, I like this kind of world without diversity. Once again, do you like this kind of world? Yes, I like this kind of world without diversity. Next Roman, imagine your world and write its qualities in the cloud. Children, here they have given clouds. You have to write the qualities. So first one, united, no hunger, equal status to everyone, clean air, peaceful. Let us know. A king went to a forest on a horse. He stopped under a tree to rest and tied his horse there. A lion from a distance saw him, and he also saw it. He took his horse and fled away. In above story, the colored words are used instead of nouns king and lion. These words are called pronouns. Pronouns are used in the place of a noun. When we have to repeat a noun, we should use a pronoun instead of the noun. Children, you have learned already that pronouns are often used to take the place of a noun to avoid the repetition of the noun. Let's do some exercise. Try this. A boy has a dog. Dash takes it to a walk. So, he. Instead of a boy, you have to write there he. He takes it to a walk. A man gives dash an ice cream. A man gives a dog. So, instead of dog, you have to write it. A man gives it an ice cream. Dash dog wanted the ice cream. So, whose dog? That boy's dog. So, instead of boy, you have to write his dog wanted the ice cream. Okay, next one. A girl has a pen. Next line, instead of girl, you have to write she wants a paper. Next one. A boy gives dash the paper. Boy gives the girl. So, you have to write there her. A boy gives her the paper. Dash drawing was nice. Whose drawing was nice? That girl's. So instead of girl, you have to write there her. Her drawing was nice. Next one. There was a building. Dash was very tall. Instead of building, you have to write it. It was very tall. Workers built dash strongly. Workers built building. Instead of building, you have to write it. Workers built it strongly. Next line. People live in its stories. Its. Children, now we are going to learn new pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Look at the examples. Ria pinches Mary. The next picture. Ria pinches herself. Next one. The dog bites Vino. The dog bites itself. Next one. The boy sees the girl. The boy sees himself. Children, in the above example, the colored word denotes reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is used when something does something to itself. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the action are the same person, animal or thing. Children, reflexive pronouns means the subject and the object of the action are the same person or animal or thing. Look at the examples. I cut my hair myself. Who cut the hair? Myself. So, I and myself are the same person. Look at the next example. John talks to himself. To whom John talks? To himself. So, John and himself are the same person. Look at the next example. I enjoyed myself at the cabin. Here, I and myself are the same person. So, reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of the action are the same person, animal or thing. Reflexive pronouns end in self or selves. Children, reflexive pronoun in singular form, it ends in self. Example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. In plural form, it ends in selves. Example, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Choose the correct reflexive pronoun. First one, each morning I brush my teeth and stare dash the mirror. Options, himself, herself, myself, itself. And the right answer is myself. Next one, Dad and I painted the trailer dash. Options, myself, himself, itself, and ourselves. And the answer is ourselves because dad and I, so plural. Next one, the children made holiday decorations by dash. Options, itself, ourselves, themselves, theirselves. And the right answer is themselves because it is in plural form. Number 4, Paul copies his friend's homework instead of doing it dash. Options, itself, himself, myself, yourself. And the right answer is himself. Instead of Paul, we are using here himself. Next, number 5, please make dash at home while you wait. Options, themselves, himself, yourselves, herself. And the right answer is yourselves. Please make yourselves at home while you wait. Complete the sentence with correct reflexive pronoun. And the pronouns given here are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. First one, I like dash. What is the right answer? I like myself. Next one, she put dash into the trouble. And the answer is she put herself into the trouble. Number 3, teachers teach dash a new lesson every day. Teachers teach themselves a new lesson every day. The right answer is themselves. Number 4, the machine will destroy dash once its task is done. The machine will destroy itself. The answer is itself once its task is done. Next, number 5, you made it harder for dash. The right answer is yourself. You made it harder for yourself. Clipped words. Children, clipping is a way of creating new words. Clip means to cut or cut off. Clipped words are a short form of a word which makes them easier to spell and write. Children, a long word is reduced by removing some of the syllables. This creates a new word. This word is then used instead of the original word. They can be reduced from the beginning, middle, or at the end of the word. Children, look at the words in pink. I took my dog to the vet. This school has a lab. I visited the zoo. The words vet, lab, and zoo are called clipped words. Why such words needed? Clipped words are a short form of a word which makes them easier to spell and write. Children, clip means to cut or cut off. They can be reduced from any part, beginning, middle, or at the end. Look at some examples. Advertisement, ad. Automobile, auto. Mathematics, math. Mathematics, math. Microphone, mic. Microphone, mic. Centum, cent. Centum, cent. photograph, photo, photograph, photo. Examination, exam, examination, exam. Spectacles, specs, spectacles, specs. Refrigerator, fridge, refrigerator, fridge. Hippopotamus, hippo, hippopotamus, hippo. Gymnasium, gym, gymnasium, gym. Laboratory, lab, laboratory, lab. Kilogram, kilo, kilogram, kilo. Aeroplane, plane, aeroplane, plane. Original words, clip words. Advertisement, ad. Automobile, auto. Mathematics, math. Microphone, mic. Centum, cent. Photograph, photo. Examination, exam. Spectacles, specs. Refrigerator, fridge. Hippopotamus, hippo. Gymnasium, gym. Let's do the exercise. Match the clipped word and write it on the line. You have to match and write it on the line. Number 1, spectacles. What is the clipped word for spectacles? Yes, specs. Number 2, microphone, mic. Number 3, automobile. Clipped word for automobile, auto. Number 4, mathematics, math or max. Number 5, centum, cent. Once again, spectacles, specs. Number 2, microphone, mic. Automobile, auto. Mathematics, math or max. Number 5, centum, cent. Next Roman, write down clipped words for the given pictures. Children, here they have given pictures. You have to write the clipped words. First one, 100%. So it is centum. What is the clipped word for centum? Cent. Next one, photograph. Clipped word for photograph? Photo. Next one, refrigerator. What is the clipped word? Fridge. Next one, hippopotamus. What is the clipped word for hippopotamus? Hippo. Next one, gymnasium. What is the clipped word? Gym. Once again, centum, cent. Photograph, photo. Refrigerator, fridge. Hippopotamus, hippo. Gymnasium, gym. Next Roman, write the correct clipped words on the line. First one, I saw him in the dash. Here the original word is laboratory. What is the correct clipped word? Yes, lab. Next one, I have dash next week. The original word is examination. What is the clipped word? Exam. Number 3, she acted in the dash first time. Advertisement is the original word. And what is the clipped word? Ad. Number 4, she bought a new dash. Refrigerator. What is the clipped word? Fridge. Number 5, I saw some wild animals in the dash zoological park, and the clipped word is zoo. Once again, I saw him in the lab. Number 2, I have exam next week. Number 3, she acted in the ad first time. Number 4, she bought a new fridge. Number 5, I saw some wild animals in the zoo.